The eat, stop, eat method of intermittent fasting involves incorporating periodic 24-hour fast into your weekly routine. With eat, stop, eat, you fast for a full 24 hours once or twice per week. During this fasting period, you abstain from consuming any calories, including food and caloric beverages. Instead, you focus on staying hydrated by drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee, which contains minimal to no calories and won't break your fast. On non-fasting days, you eat normally, following your regular meal schedule and consuming meals and snacks as you typically would. Last but not the least, one meal a day method, abbreviated as the OMAD method of intermittent fasting, is a form of fasting where you restrict your eating window to just one meal per day, typically within 1 hour to 2 hour time frame, and fast for the remaining 22 to 23 hours. This approach involves consuming all of your daily calories in a single large meal while abstaining from food for the rest of the day. Since you're consuming all your daily calories in one meal, it's crucial to make it nutrient dense and well balanced. Your meal should include a variety of food groups such as lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables. Opting for whole, minimally processed foods can help ensure you're getting essential nutrients and fiber. The timing of your OMAD meal can vary based on your personal preference and lifestyle. Some people prefer to have their meal in the evening, while others opt for lunch or breakfast. The key is to choose a time that works best for you and aligns with your schedule and hunger cues. Now that we have covered the 4 types of intermittent fasting patterns, let me explain how I blend them into my lifestyle for maximum benefit. My preferred method is the 16-8 approach. I typically start my day with a delayed breakfast around 11 a.m., relying on black coffee, herbal tea, apple cider vinegar to sustain me until then. For lunch, I aim to eat between 3 to 5 p.m. depending on factors like my travel and workout schedule. I rarely consume anything post 5 p.m. This creates a feeding window from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., totaling 6 hours, with fasting for the remaining 18 hours. I combine the 16-8 method with the eat, stop, eat approach by fasting for 40 hours each week. I usually choose Thursdays as my fasting days, sometimes adjusting it to Friday based on my work and travel commitments. For example, after my last meal on Wednesday evening, I fast until Friday 11 a.m., totaling 42 hours. Now, before I end this video, let me provide you with 4 tips that will give you insights on selecting the best pattern of intermittent fasting for yourself. First, the best and the easiest method for beginners is the 16-8 method. If you think 16 hours of fasting is difficult, start with 14 hours. Still doubtful? Start with 12 hours, but get started. You do not have to be perfect from day one. Second, based on your lifestyle and preference, decide your feeding window. Do you feel hungry the moment you wake up, or are you someone who prefers to postpone eating until noon? The 2 most common feeding windows are either 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. As I already mentioned, it's okay to increase your feeding window by a few hours at first and then see how your body is adapting. Third, stick with the 16-8 method of eating for a few weeks before trying to blend it with other patterns. Gradually, you can incorporate the 5-2 method or the eat, stop, eat method for better results. You can apply the same concept to the 5-2 diet. Start by reducing calories once a week instead of twice. Also, if you think you cannot cut down your calories down to 600 to 700 calorie mark, cut it down to 1000 or 1200. Lastly, it's okay to consume one low-calorie beverage in your fasting window occasionally. If you like to start your day with a small cup of chai, or you want to have coconut water, it's okay, drink it, but do not have any cookies along with it. Guys, do whatever it takes to get started with intermittent fasting. Slowly and gradually progress. Think long term. Intermittent fasting is a way of life. It's not a diet or something that you treat as an event. I strongly urge you to give intermittent fasting a serious try. If you have any questions or doubts, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.